Hello guys, it is Pi Coding, aka Python. Today we're going to be making a mute command. So what we started off was an announce command. This is part 2. So basically I'm going to go ahead and get my little what's it called? I'm going to get so what you want to do on desktop is that you basically want to create a folder, then we're going to paste that. If you have a new bot, you want to paste that other code, name whatever your folder is, and basically we are just gonna start coding. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete all my old code, and basically what I'm gonna do, except for one thing, okay, we'll keep that. So after that, I'm gonna keep a file, so just in case. So I'm gonna put one into a folder. So after that, I can put in my code. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go ahead and begin. So let's go ahead and start with the mute command. So what I want to do is go down with a couple lines, and actually I'm going to delete some lines. So we're going to start coding right now. So what we want to do is do client.command parentheses. We want to go down and check if somebody has permission to use this. So commands.has underscore permissions. And then what we're going to do is do parentheses manage underscore messages equals true. So after that, we're going to create a new line, async def your command, which would be a mute, parentheses, context member, discord.member. Then we're going to do that star, and then we're going to do reason equals none. Then we're gonna put a colon, and then what we're gonna do is do guild equals ctx dot guild, and then after we do that, we do another line, muted. If you don't have a muted role, basically what it's gonna do is basically create a muted role for you. It's gonna set the permissions that you set, and I'm gonna get into the permissions after I'm finished with a couple lines, and then after that we're gonna test it. So let's go and get this. Muted role equals discord.utils.get guild.roles name equals muted. So what we're gonna do is put muted. Make sure it's like this unless you want a lowercase. If you want a lowercase, then that's fine. If not, muted role. We're gonna go ahead and go down, put a semicolon, a colon, muted role equals await dot, wait, no, not dot, await guild dot, what is it, dot create underscore role name equals muted. It's basically the same thing, but it's just awaiting. After that, I'm gonna go to for channel and guild dot channels semicolon await. Okay, for channel and guild dot channels await channel dot set. We're gonna set a channel underscore permissions muted role, and then after that I forgot what it is. Okay, anyways, and then speak, here's the permission, speak equals false unless you want that to be true. Then send underscore messages equals false. And read underscore message underscore history, we're gonna put equals true, so they can read the history. Then after that, we're gonna put read. So read underscore messages equals false. And after that, we can put for channel, we're gonna do. Oh wait, hey, no, I did it wrong. I'm sorry. And then after that, we're gonna do await member dot add underscore roles muted all reason equals reason. Then we're gonna go down, and then we're gonna put await ctx.send. We're gonna create an f string, and then we're gonna put muted member.mention for reason. You don't need this, but I recommend it. Await member.send. So basically what it's going to do is send the member a message that they have been muted in that typical or type of server. So let's do it. Create an f string. You were muted in server. I'm gonna put member.guild 4. If member.guild doesn't work, then message me on Discord, which will be in the link below. But we have officially created this. Now what we want to do is import some of this. You can import all of it. I mean, if you want to, but that's for different videos we're going to create. So, we're going to go ahead and test it. So I'm going to go ahead and click this up here. Make sure it's not running. Okay. So it's not running. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here, which will be right here, and I hope y'all can see that. Okay, you can't see it, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix this because I'm actually getting mad because I need to start fixing this. Hang on, guys. Okay, well, we're going there you go, there's that screen. But anyways, after that, I'm gonna start the bot up because I accidentally deleted it. Okay, it's on, and then I'm gonna go ahead. As you can see, here's our old announcement, but what we're gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna go onto my alt. So let me go onto my alt. And while I do this, there will be new series about different commands and everything. So you want to stay tuned, like my old video. But this is Python coding, not JavaScript. But I will be making JavaScript videos too. So this is part 2. Anyways, why is Planet 9? Okay. So I'm gonna get the invite. So then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and basically okay, there we go, we're in the server. As I can show you proof that there is no mute command, and if there is, I'm gonna delete it. So there is, we're gonna delete this because we don't need it. Make sure there's nothing. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna do your prefix or whatever it is, and we're gonna mute them with whatever reason. So I'm gonna say, you have been bad. As you can see, okay, that's a problem. Okay, basically I'm gonna have to shut this bot down. Okay, I'm gonna have to mute this bot too. Okay, well, I don't know, so hang on, I'm gonna have to check my code. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go into my context code, the code that I put into the new folder, to see what is wrong. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy it and see what's wrong. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so what I think, so it's a wait, so let's see. Okay. So basically what I didn't do right, I think, is the description, but I honestly don't know. Okay, so what I'm gonna basically copy this away. So basically we're gonna go back to coding and we're gonna see if this works. If this doesn't, then I'm gonna make a new video updated. Okay, let's see. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna set it back. So now let's see. We're gonna mute him again. Well, actually, first that's actually weird. So hang on. See, it's still going because that's honestly weird. But basically, what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna go ahead and remove his muted role. Okay, now he's back. Okay, it was a line issue. So basically, it was just a line issue. So this is fixed, but as you can see, you were muted. Well, it doesn't show that real quick, so hang on. I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and, yeah, there we go. So it says you were muted in my test. Sorry for the name and for the reason of. So see, I can't talk. There's no channels unless you want to fix that. So there we go. There's a mute command. We're gonna make the unmute command. So basically what we're gonna do is go back to coding, close out of this, and then we're gonna start the coding. So real quick, you gotta make sure those have that type of lining. If it doesn't, you can right click, or you could press Alt-Shift-F. It will automatically format it. If you're new, then there you go. It's basically just in the coding, that means like you just basically messed up a line. But it's good to know that we fixed it, so let's go ahead and start the command. So, okay. Create new lines, of course, client.command, then we're gonna add our description equals unmute a user. You can change that if you want to. And then we're gonna, of course, check if it has permissions. Manage messages equals true. There you go. Fixed. Async def unmute context member equals, not equals, semicolon discord.member. Then we're going to put a semicolon. We're going to go down to muted role. After that, you want to do equals discord.utils.get parentheses context.guild.roles. I forgot it again, but you already know. And then after that, we're gonna do name equals muted. After that, we're gonna go down a bit. Basically, it just does. That's all you need. And then we're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna make sure member.remove underscore roles muted role. Await ctx.send f unmuted member.mention. Await member.send. I'm going to create another f string. You were unmuted. It's served. You don't need these, but you can. Member.guild. It'll go. After that, we're gonna make sure by, you could right click and let's say format where it says Shift Alt F. So Shift Alt F. There we go. Formatted automatically. Okay, after that, we're gonna go ahead and test the command. So what we're gonna do is then unblock this. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to unmute. Okay, let's see what we got. See, member object has. Let's see what I did wrong. So what I gotta do is see. So what we're doing, we're going to delete this and we're gonna see. So it says discord.member. Okay, so basically, I need to look at it one more time because I gotta see what the error is. Okay, let's see. It's because I probably don't have a role, or Planet 9 doesn't have a role. So let's see. Let's try. If that doesn't work, then we'll probably know our problem. Okay, doesn't work. It's gonna do the same thing. Okay, so what it's saying is $64. Okay. I think I did something wrong. Of course I did. Remember that. Okay, I now see what the problem is. As you see, there's an uppercase R. We don't need uppercase. I'm so sorry for being retarded. Like, very retarded. So let's see. Okay, it's online. Good. Unblock this. Unmute at right. There we go. See? No more basically spamming. So what's up with the... Okay, see? Now they removed. We just need to go back. See, I do not have the muted role. As you can see, you were unmuted. There you go. That is the unmute, the mute and unmute. We just had a couple errors, but there we go. And just like I said, you need these, so I will put these in the description. I'm not saying you need all of these, but I recommend you do for newer videos. So hope y'all enjoyed, and bye bye.